be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I'm a little behind on these two. I just wanted to show you that I do have these in my possession, but I got each of these off of a Nike and Snkrs restock. Okay, now let me pull out the Google Pixel 6 Pro and let me see the actual dates that I got these. I know one's been over a month, but I still wanted to bring the video to you. Let me see. Okay, so one I got on the 26th. This one is the one, the bottom one is the one I got on the 26th of October. And the first one I got delivered on the 15th of October. So almost a month on this one. All right. But let's go ahead and put the phone away. Go ahead and get into this one. Boom. As you can see, this is a Jordan 1 box. All right, Jordan 1 box. We all know what they look like. And these are the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, colorway light fusion red, black, and white. All right, and I got these in a size 14, of course. All right, now let's go ahead and get into these. Sir, very dope. Man, glad I got a second chance on these bad boys. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Look at the laces. Let's bring the laces out. Ooh, the light fusion. Air Jordan 1. Red Fusion, I believe these were called. Little patience, man. When these came out initially, when they originally came out, I didn't get them. But I didn't go to the resale sites and buy them either. I just kind of took my L and went on about my business. But these came up on the Nike restock in that same week, actually, because I believe I did not overnight shipping, but 2-day shipping, and I got these fairly quickly. So, man, I'm glad. I really liked these when they released. They are kind of those Hulk Hogan colors, and you know we don't really rock with Hulk Hogan too much these days, but they are the yellow and the red, the Mega Powers colors, you know. Red laces, yellow laces, black laces come with these, and of course the white laces are inside the shoes already tied up. I don't know, I think in this case I probably will switch out the white laces, maybe hit them with the black. Maybe hit them with the black laces on these. I think that might look the best on this particular shoe, to switch it up a little bit. All right, nice nylon tongue. You got your Nike Air logo in the red and yellow on the black tab. All right, and then on the inside, on the insole there, let's get a little bit of light in there. You have your red insole with your yellow lettering of Nike Air. All right, Nike Air on the inside in that yellow with your size tag, size 14, of course, on these bad boys. The material on here, these are very soft leather. Very soft leather. They're even one of the ones that on the back, you know, normally it's a little bit stiffer leather in the back here, but the leather in the back is even soft. It may be even softer in spots. That's some really soft leather. Even up here where the Wings logo is some nice quality soft leather. They did their damn thing on these. All right, and on the bottom you have the black bottoms. Okay, so that's the first shoe that I got that I didn't bring to you, but I did want to show you all that I have these, and I was able to get them on the restock in October. All right, now let's get to the second one from October 26th, I believe it said. Of course, boom, another Nike one, and another Jordan 1. All right, another Jordan 1. Let's go ahead and get these out the box and get that box out of here. Boom. All right, now these are ones that when they originally released, I passed on them. I think something else was coming at the time, and I said I don't need to have these and the other shoe, but I did go ahead and get them when they hit the restock. Okay, so Nike Jordan 1 box there. All right, these are the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. All right, colorway is white, black, electro orange, and these are also in a size 14. All right, you probably can't see that, it's probably a little blurry, but size 14. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these bad boys right here. Whew. Yeah, I do have a gripe on these, but I do think they're pretty dope. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The electro orange Jordan 1s. All right, now these come with 3 sets of laces: the whites, the orange, and then they have the black on the inside already laced up. Okay, I'll take the tree up out of here so we can see exactly how soft they really are. And not as soft as these, but they are still really soft materials. Okay, just that the toe box, the black around the toe box area is a little bit stiffer, but it's still a pretty good soft grade of leather, but it's not as soft as that area on those shoes. But the toe box area is. Let's check the back. This back leather. Oh, the back leather is pretty soft. The back leather is pretty soft here. Same as those. Now that back part is soft. All right, black tongue, black tab with your white leather orange swoosh. Okay, and on the inside they got a big ass black insole, but the big ass leathering with the Nike Air, as you can see, with the orange swoosh. Okay, not bad. Now what my gripe is with this particular shoe, I have a few. I feel like the back area here, this white area, probably could have been black. You know what I'm saying? Like have this black, just like how these are, the red in the back. This should have been black back here. It shouldn't have been all white like that. You know what I mean? So that's not my favorite part. But also these came like they're little. They look like they're scuffed. Clearly the shoe wasn't worn or anything. It's not like somebody returned them, but it looks on the back here. I don't know if the camera can show that, but it's like it's scuffed. And that's the part that makes me not like it, is that, I mean I like the shoe, but I don't like that white shows that much dirt. Let me see how the right one looks. The right one doesn't look as bad. It's just that left one. It's just that left one that seems to be picking up the dirt. Here's the right boy. Right boy! We ain't gonna do a full right boy treatment, but that left one got a little bit more dirt on it, it seems like. But nonetheless, I do have these now. I did just want to do a quick video and show you that both of these pairs arrived in the last month or so, and I got them. I didn't do an individual review on them, but I do have them, and I did want to show them to you that sometimes patience pays off and you can get some dope kicks just by waiting on the restocks to happen. All right. I got these on Nike.com and I got these on Snkrs, but got them both in house. So anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.